Found a DDY file during driver installation troubleshooting? This is a marker file used by device driver installers to track installation status. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain what these device driver installer marker files do. Keep your expectations high for the final step. We will introduce you to the single utility that makes troubleshooting the DDY format and dozens of others obsolete. A user might encounter a .DDY file when investigating old system folders or during a Windows update process. These files are markers created by the Microsoft Device Driver Installer to indicate that a specific hardware driver is outdated. They serve as a log or placeholder, not the driver itself. The .DDY file is typically a small binary data file or even an empty placeholder. Its existence, name, and location are more important than its content. It was designed as a simple, low-overhead flag for the operating system's update and maintenance routines to quickly identify and manage obsolete driver packages. If installed, your preferred program for DDY should be the Windows Device Driver Installer application by Microsoft. Improper handling in Windows can corrupt the underlying system files severely. Windows avoids exposing internal details to reduce the chance of accidental damage. To guarantee the file opens, right-click your DDY file and select Open With. Check for Windows Device Driver Installer first. If it is absent, select another program. A systematic check of installed tools is vital. If you still cannot open your DDY file, that is okay. The problem is usually not complex. It is almost certainly one of 3 easily fixable errors. I've created a simple list showing the 3 main culprits and their verification steps. First, letting installer manage. DDY files are managed automatically by driver installation programs and require no user interaction. The installer creates and removes these markers as part of normal installation processes. Avoid manually deleting DDY files during driver installation, as this can interrupt the installation process, leaving drivers in inconsistent states. Next, cleaning up after failed install. If driver installation fails, leaving orphaned DDY files, use Windows Disk Cleanup or driver vendor cleanup utilities to remove residual installation artifacts. Run the original installer with uninstall option first, then perform cleanup. This ensures clean state before reinstalling drivers, avoiding conflicts from incomplete previous installations. Finally, contacting hardware support. For persistent driver installation issues that DDY files indicate, contact your hardware manufacturer's technical support. Provide installation logs and DDY file locations for support staff analysis. Manufacturer support can guide proper driver installation procedures specific to your hardware, ensuring successful driver deployment without manual file manipulation. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Instead of relying on a label that might be incorrect, you can use a tool that employs smart recognition to try and find a match based on the actual data inside. Finally, the problem might be deep-seated. Your most efficient path to success now is using a high-powered universal viewer like FileMagick. This software is available at filemagick.com. Let me know in the comments if that file is open. Subscribing ensures you never miss another one-click solution.